Hi guys, it's Barbara. I'm Bling Girls channel here. If you're brand new, hi, welcome. And welcome back if you're not. Guys, I'm in the kitchen again cooking, so I thought this would be fun to do it with you again, because I know you guys are enjoying my cooking videos. So, if you guys are brand new, I am on a healthy lifestyle journey. You know, my results at the doctor's last year weren't that good, and I'm getting down all of my levels, and I want to keep them down. And I'm also perimenopause, almost in menopause, guys. So if you are brand new, so I am eating better. Okay, I got rid of sugar. It's been a week since I've had regular table sugars. I just stay with the natural sugars like your monk fruit, your aloe your stevia. Okay, so what I decided to make now, I did have a smoothie. I didn't take you into doing that because I've done that before. So it's just, well, let me show you after I get this rice in here. So I'm just going to be adding a cup of rice in this water. Okay, and give it a quick stir. And then I am going to cover this. Be right back. Okay, so that is coming nicely. I put that down to a simmer. And yes, so the next thing I'm doing is these are some organic or bonzo beans. Okay, and they are gluten-free. But guys, even if you are gluten-free, I was told when I had to call Walmart one time, they said to make sure it says may not contain wheat, you know, like may contain traces of wheat, things like that. So check for that as well, and there isn't, so I'm good there. Okay, so I added the whole can. I didn't even drain it, okay? And I'll show you what I'll do with that. So back to the smoothie. So I do usually do banana, but I don't have banana. So I just put in, oh, there we go. I put in about a cup of original almond milk, unsweetened. I did one of these yogurts, and those are just stevia. And I did one of these. Okay, lots of protein. And then for antioxidants, then I did a 1/4 teaspoon of organic chia seeds. I did soak them in water first for about 5 minutes before adding it to my smoothie. Organic blueberries, about a cup of those. And 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So that's what's in my smoothie right now, and it is yummy. And if I had nuts, nuts would be in here as well. 1/4 cup of nuts. And also a banana. Okay? And raw cacao powder can go in here too with maybe, and you know, just the yogurt. Get rid of the blueberries, add organic frozen strawberries, and your almond milk, your banana, and a tablespoon of raw cacao powder, which is raw cocoa. Okay, it's in the raw form, so it's not heated at all, so it's very healthy for you. And yeah, and then you'll have a really nice chocolate smoothie. So whatever way you like it. Okay. So the rice that I have used, I have shared this in my grocery hauls, but this is Carolina organic brown rice. So good for you. So much fiber pack in that grain. So much. Okay. So, all right. So what I'm thinking of making today is chickpeas with some rice. I'm going to add some green salad olives to that, and some cumin, some garlic, some onion powder. I'm making a Spanish meal today. If you guys saw my last video, I made some Indian eggs. Yeah, I love just cooking. I really do. What is this flying in my house? Is that a fly? Yeah, it's a little fly. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna put some cumin, garlic, onion, and black pepper in our beans. Okay, so I added about 2 tablespoons of garlic, olives, I mean. Alrighty, so in the beans now, I added 2 tablespoons of Goya, salad. Olives, love those. Now these do have salt in them. That's why I don't use salt in my cooking, because I use a lot of olives. But olives are very good for you. Okay? They have a lot of things in them that are very good and healthy for you. So look that up. And as these cook down, I'm going to mash them slightly too. Okay? And I did add, I just eyeball it, okay, with my garlic powder and my spices. I just eyeball it. That's my doggy. And yeah. Okay, so I'm going to let this cook down for about a good 10-15 minutes. And I have it, going to simmer that down lower. And I'll show you when these are done. And I'll show you what I'll do with my chicken. Say hi, Ninny. I mean, my husband calls her Ninny. It's Gracie. But that's her little name we call her. What are you doing, Gracie? I'm chewing my pacifier. Can I see what you're doing? See? That's what she's doing, guys. And she's in a diaper. I'm not sure if she's in heat or not, so let me get you a little closer. Alrighty, so this is what I have so far. Now my hubby can't have the lemon garlic that I did. Sorry guys, I had a little fruit fly in my lemon mix. Okay, so what I did in this bowl is I added some garlic, some organic lemon juice, and some cumin. Okay, mixed it together. And I'm going to be putting that on my chicken after I make my husband's here. He can't have a lot of spices. So, this is where we're at. I love an electric frying pan. I grew up with one. Love it. My mom used to cook everything in it. I did link it in my last video, guys. So, I will link this again. I love this frying pan. Love. I'll have it linked down. I think it was like 30. I don't remember. But all of this brown, this goodness is what I call it. All this goodness. All this baked in goodness is going to be coming up once this cools down slightly. It really just, I don't know, it just chars that chicken a little bit, you know? Love it. Okay, so let's hop over here. Yeah, we're bunnies, right? So this is where we're at with the rice. We want to get that water out of there, so we have about 16 more minutes. And this is where we are with the beans. Okay. And Spanish cooking, you want to add everything first, and you want to let it just cook in that deliciousness. My husband is Cuban. Okay, so his mom taught me how to cook Cuban cuisines. All right. Yum, 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 yum. So yeah, this is our lunch. And do you know, I grew up eating Colombian food with my best friend Jenny, that we were best friends growing up. And her mom used to be in the kitchen from morning until mid-afternoon and just leave it on the stove, and that would be our lunch and dinner, because I would eat there all the time. And yeah, so, you know, if you want to eat healthy, you know, you can definitely meal prep all this stuff too, but I don't like to meal prep. Alrighty, so this is where we're at with the chickpeas, garbanzo beans. You see how nicely they have cooked down? Love that. And then here's our rice. Okay, so I did add that lemon mixture, that marinade on top of this chicken. Now sometimes I would just put the chicken inside of it and use my hand or whatever, or, you know, tongs or something too. But this time I just poured it on there. And everything is good and done so nicely now. Okay, my husband took his already. And we're just waiting on the rice, and I'll plate it up for you guys and show you what it looks like and do a taste test. Alrighty guys, this is it. So this is the chickpeas and the lemon garlic chicken, and some brown organic rice. And let's do a taste test. Alrighty, let's see. So the chicken, let's see. What can we, want to have like each thing, right? It is kind of hot. So, okay, here we go.